everyone, welcome to Mariah's Health and Wellness channel. So today I'm going to be making zucchini ravioli. Of course, this is a vegan dish, and I'm going to be using the Thermomix to make the ricotta filling. So this dish can be eaten raw or it can be cooked. So this can accommodate the raw food vegans and those who are on a cooked diet or include some cooked foods in their diet. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.